Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today guys, we're gonna do an unboxing video. Let's see what this company called Grainger sent us today. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. We'll start off with the big box. Lots of bubble wrap. Lots of paper stuff. So what kind of goodies do we have today, guys? Power strips. So that you can plug stuff in. Okay. A few of those. Whoa, what do we got here going on? What is this? It's a water key. These keys are to turn on water spigots when you don't have like a little knob on it. Whoa. We got us a 50-foot garden hose. That's pretty cool. And then another box inside of this box. This one's pretty heavy, guys. Let's see what's in here. Some more power strips. Pretty heavy, guys. Pro Cell D batteries. In case you guys didn't know,